Because one of the things that I'm so excited that you're coming is that you've written a book for the Westerners on the Tsalung Core, and you've written a book about the Magyu Tumo.
Oh,
And
yeah.
when I read your biography, a lot of your emphasis is the physical practices, the breathing, the pranayama, the movement,
Mm,
the Tsalung, the
very,
Core.
very
And so,
right.
and so this is a wonderful opportunity for us. We do within Ligmincha, the Tsalung is a part of our daily practice. Rinpoche, Tenzin
Mm,
Wangyal Rinpoche has taught it for decades
uh,
now. Could you speak a little bit about why the Tsalung is important for a
yeah,
practitioner?
this is very, very important. This Tsalung practice is very, how to say, this is a very good benefit for practitioners. This, according to Tantra teaching, this is main practice, very, very important. But for Dzogchen, not main practice, but this is very, very important for developing meditation on natural state. Natural state. Also, this usually I taught there's three main benefits of Tsalung practice. First of all, I said people who want to do meditation, this is very, very important. This Tsalung practice, because this Tsalung practice it can develop meditation. It's very, very well, and also uh, help meditation. Very good because you know uh, also uh, this is my this the first benefit. Second benefit is during the meditation there are many different obstacles appears to meditation. This all if you want to remove these obstacles, there are a lot of different methods, but the best is Tsalung practice. The Tsalung practice because it help your heart better, heart better physically, physical, physically body. How to say this is better, body also better, and it make mind also more clear, better. It give mind, it give mind energy. It gives energy to mind, to mind. The mind and body is become perfect. Then you can do meditation. It's easily. If you during the meditation, your body is like looks like lazy, and also mind like not clear, like you're falling into drowsiness or drowsiness like that. Then your meditation is spoiled, spoiled. Not good. Always the muscle, these practitioners, they are always falling into these problems. If you do meditation, if you do Tsalung practice, but usually I taught this, you must, there are Tsalung practice, also different Tsalung practice, but this is the best Tsalung practice with four aspects. This, if you do this, then for 7 cycles, at least 7 cycles, then after that, your mind and body both is perfect, perfect, and it looks mind also looks clear. There's no sleeping, no drowsiness, no drowsiness. Also body also more energy, more strong. Then you can do meditation. It help your heart at the same time. There are all obstacles at the moment. This how to say disappear. Then it at the moment maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you are perfect. The present is very clear, perfect. This is a very good, very, very good. Also, this during the Tsalung practice, you need focus. Mind is not free. You need with mind focus on something like tigle or this channels inside their chakras, also symbolics. then it make your mind more suitable, more suitable, more suitable. Like that. The most important is, this people need to recognize the natural state, awareness, Dzogchen awareness. Tsalung practice, with Tsalung practice, if you do Tsalung practice properly, after that, Tsalung practice, how to correct your meditation on natural state. Spontaneously, how to say it, naturally, this this awareness, wisdom appears to you, and all these thoughts at the moment, in the short time, all the thoughts is disappear, and your present awareness arise to you as clearly. You keep in this without any motivation. This you do like that again, then you can recognize very easily your awareness, your Dzogchen nature. Also, it can be need confidence with awareness. It help you. This is the most important. You could do Tsalung practice for 7 cycles of this with 4 aspects. After that, you do meditation on natural state. At the moment, it's great, very clear. Do like that continuously, then always your meditation is successful.
That is a very strong recommendation for learning how to
Yeah,
do
yeah.
Tsalung practice.
Yeah, the Tsalung practice is very,
It is
I have experience. I did this already, the many years all the time, every day.
every day. 7 cycles you recommend, a minimum
Yeah,
of
yeah.
7.
Usually I did this 9 cycles.
You mentioned twice while you were speaking about the 4 aspects of the
Yeah, yeah.
practice. Could you say
Yeah,
what
yeah.
those are for us?
Yeah, for experiment. This means, first of all, you need uh, inhaling. Inhaling,
Hmm.
then holding as long as you can. Holding. After that, adding, or how to say,
Re-inhale.
yeah, again, if you hold, you are holding this wind in the center channel, as long as very difficult to hold, then not exhale, but you add on this again, maybe at least 3 times, again. Yeah, again, without exhaling, again, maybe at least three times. 3 times. After that, exhaling. These 4 aspects. This exhaling, holding, adding, and exhaling. This is very important. This if you this there is a Tsalung practice. We usually this Jamlong is smooth Tsalung practice. No need re-exhaling. Just first of all, inhaling, then holding a little bit, then just exhaling. This is a smooth Tsalung practice. First of all, beginners that do this. This is very important. This for Tsalung practice with 4 aspects is long pumpachi. Long pumpachi means ting long ne. You means not not exhaling.
Hmm.
No exhaling. There's also lower doors, close strongly. Here in the mouth and the nose, no send any breathing out. This is long pumpachi in the bass. Like body is bass, inside there's like wind inside. This is very important.
And then during the holding of the breath, then that's when you make the movements. And so, right? So there are the 5 different
Yeah.
movements.
This is I mean, this is just a general Tsalung with Lungyur in like Lungyur means long practice, Tsalung practice, long practice with 4 aspect. I am
Ah,
mentioning that just that. Then there are the different, especially there are also Tomo need this. The 4 aspect, how to say this, 5 moments, during the 5 moments need this. Also, according to Herzer Rinpoche, there are some, this particular practice need this. Also in Hong Yin, there are Tomo practice also need these things. These 4 aspects.
so they're
Always.
really a foundation for everything else.
Yeah, this foundation. Yes. Of course, this is foundation of Tsalung practice.
And so in your weekend retreat that we'll offer in December, I believe, you'll be teaching these 4. Your focus will be these 4.
Yeah,
Okay,
first table, I always, explain, I always explain about that first table.
right. Excellent. Thank you. And so this would also be with respect to the last retreat you'll offer at Serenity Ridge on the Tumo practice. This would be a very good retreat for people to come
This is,
to learn some of the practices that will then lead towards the
yeah.
Tumo practice also, correct?
The Tomo practice was very about this is, we visualize fire.
Mhm.
It's a very